Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Asadullah from Department of Biotechnology, the Islamic University of Bahawalpur. My title of abstract is RNA sequence analysis of melanoma patient samples of potential biomarker for immunotherapy responses. Melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer. It arises from the pigment production and can spread aggressively if left untreated. Immunotherapy is harnessing the body's immune system to fight cancers. Immunotherapy advanced and high-risk melanoma has led to a striking improvement in outcomes, variable success rates. Immunotherapy doesn't work for everyone with melanoma. Emphasize the need to identify patients most likely to benefit from this treatment. RNA sequencing. RNA sequencing is a powerful technique that measures the amount of messenger RNA molecules present in a cell. Messenger RNA carries instructions from genes, and the amount of messenger RNA reflects gene activity. By analyzing messenger RNA levels, RNA sequence provides a detailed picture of which genes are turned on and at what level in a cell. Methods and methodology. Patients samples. The study involved collecting melanoma tissue samples from patients. RNA sequence process. Collected samples underwent RNA extraction to isolate messenger RNA molecules. The mRNA is then converted into complementary DNA, cDNA, which can be amplified and sequenced to determine the gene sequences and their abundance. We have to use next generation sequences in RNA sequence. Bioinformatic analysis. For bioinformatic analysis, some of the bioinformatic tools are required to analyze the raw sequencing data. That data we get from previous processes. These tools help identify differentially expressed genes with significantly higher or lower expression levels in pre-treatment versus post-treatment samples or responder versus non-responders. Its features prospects. Predictive test. The identified biomarkers DEGs have the potential to be used to develop a dignified. This test could analyze a patient's tumor sample and predict their likelihood to immunotherapy. Benefits of personalized treatment. The biomarker-based test could help doctors tailor treatment plans to each patient. Patient predicted to respond well to immunotherapy could receive this treatment, while those unlikely to respond could explore alternative therapies, avoiding unnecessary side effects. Conclusion. Key finding briefly summarize the main results. The identification of gene expression prospect associates with the positive immunotherapy responses. Significance of biomarkers. How these biomarkers hold promise for personalized immunotherapy melanoma patients. Future studies. The need for further research to validate these findings in larger patients population. Mention potential clinical trials to evaluate the effectiveness of a biomarker-based test for guiding immunotherapy decision. A new era. Optimism that this research paves the way for more effective and personalized treatment approaches for melanoma. Thank you so much.